In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a stunning gradient background in Canva. Whether you're designing a presentation, a social media post, or just exploring your creative side, adding a gradient background can elevate the look of your project instantly. So let's jump in and get creative with this easy to follow guide. First, you'll want to ensure you have your Canva design open and ready to go. Once you have your design canvas in front of you, the very first step is to click on the background of your current design. This may be a blank canvas you've set up or an existing design you're looking to enhance. Clicking the background will highlight it, letting Canva know that this is the area you wish to modify. Next up, you'll need to access the color options. Look for the color icon, which is often located in the toolbar, at the top of your screen, or sometimes on the side depending on your layout. Clicking this icon will open up a palette of color choices, presenting you with a variety of hues and shade options. This is the gateway to adding dynamic colors to your design. Once you've clicked the color icon, you'll see an option specifically for gradients. This is where the magic happens. Gradients allow you to blend colors smoothly, creating a seamless transition from one color to another. It's an excellent way to add depth and interest to your background. Browse through the selection of available gradient colors and choose the one that best suits your design aesthetic or theme. If your design project has specific color branding or a mood you're aiming for, now's the time to express that through your choice of gradient. Now, a quick tip: when selecting your gradient, consider the overall palette of your design. Gradients can be bold and vibrant or soft and subtle, so think about the tone you want to set for your project. You may want your text or other design elements to stand out against the background, so choose a gradient that complements those elements without overshadowing them. And just like that, with a few simple clicks, you've added a beautiful gradient to your Canva design. This handy feature can breathe new life into your projects, offering a professional yet creative flair. Remember, the key to a striking design lies in experimentation and practice, so feel free to try out different gradients and observe how they transform your canvas. With these steps, you now have the skills to enhance any Canva project with outstanding gradient backgrounds. So, get started and let your creativity flow. Thanks for watching and happy designing.